Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through a full tutorial on how to enable effects notifications in Snapchat. If you want to stay updated on the latest creative effects available on Snapchat, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It usually looks like a silhouette of a person. Tap on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to the Snapchat settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the settings, scroll down until you find the Notifications option. Tap on it to enter the notification settings. In the Notifications menu, look for the option labeled Creative Effects Notifications and tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch. Simply enable it to receive notifications about the latest creative effects available on Snapchat. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable effects notifications and stay updated on the exciting creative features Snapchat has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.